Kaizen is a Japanese philosophy and practice centered around continuous improvement. The term Kaizen combines two words, Kai, change, and Zen, good, meaning change for the better or continuous improvement. It is widely used in business and manufacturing contexts, especially in lean management and quality control, to foster a culture of ongoing incremental enhancements in processes, products, and services. The core principles of Kaizen include engaging all employees in suggesting and implementing improvements, focusing on small, steady changes rather than large, disruptive ones, encouraging a mindset of ongoing learning and problem solving, eliminating waste and inefficiencies to increase productivity and quality. Kaizen aims to create a workplace culture where every individual continually seeks ways to improve their work and contribute to the organization's overall success. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for your support.